Hello viewers, you are welcome. Presenting to you this question, I'm your tutor Patrick Divine. Okay, so we are going to solve this question together under functions, and it's saying that the function is defined by f of x equal to what? To 2x minus 5. So now we are taught to find f inverse of x. So how do you find it? So so it will be what? F of x, or f inverse of x. Okay, f inverse of x is equal to 2x minus 5, like that. Then this, we change it to, we replace it with what? With y is equal to 2x minus 5. Then from here you make x the subject of the formula, so meaning that this negative 5 has to go this side. So it will be y plus 5 equal to 2x over 2 over 2. So it will be what? It will be x is equal to y plus 5 over 2. Now here what you're supposed to do, is to replace this x by what? The function here. Okay, so replace x by this function that you are supposed to find the inverse of x. Okay, so mean that it will be what? F inverse of x, like that, is equal to, then the y changes to x. This is the rule of functions. So the y changes to x, and then to be plus a plus 5 over what? Over 2, like that. All right, so that is how you find it. Okay, so now here is a thing. So we have solved. This is the question. We are done with question 1. So we have solved. So now here is a thing. So we need to solve this. Okay, so now we can solve b. Okay, so now b is saying that we need to find the composite function of f of inverse of x. So this, it means that we get the function of what? The function of f. Okay, we get the function of f there, and where there is x, we should put the function of what? F inverse of x. Okay, we should put the function of, where there is x, we should put the function, we should put f inverse of 2. Okay, that is what we should do. So we need to find first f inverse of what? Of 2. So f inverse of 2, what it means, f this part here, this last part, if you can look at it, f inverse of 1, f inverse of 2. So mean that here there is what? There is 2 here. Okay, here there is 2. So now what you're supposed to do is to put 2 here, so it will be f inverse of what? 2. So where there is x, you should put 2. So it will be what? Here it will be what? Equal to 2 plus 5 over what? Over 2. Okay, so now it is going to be what? 2 plus 5, that's going to be 7 over 2, like that. Okay, so this is what? F inverse of what? Of 2. This is what it means. Now since we have found this, okay, we have found that, so they are saying that where there is f of x, okay, where there is f of x, so this one here, it is what? That one here, there is f, then the composite function of f inverse of what? Of 2, like that. So you get the function of, this one, which is beginning. Okay, the beginning of this function, you get this function, which is this is the function here, and where there is x, you replace with what? With this is what they are saying. Okay, so this is what you should do. I hope you've understood. You get the function, you get this function, where there is x, you put what? This. So it will be what? F composite function of f inverse of what? Of 1, like that, is equal to, or where there is 2 here, sorry, there is 2 here, okay, is equal to 2 here. I'm getting this, but where there is x, I'm going to put this, okay. So I'm going to put what, 7 over what, over 2, like that, 7 over 2, then there is minus 5, like that, okay. So this 2 and that 2 can go, okay, then we remain with 7 minus 5, so that is going to be what, that is going to be 2, okay, that is going to be 2, like that. So that is how you can find this. So that is how you can find this. So we now know that f inverse of x, f inverse of 2, the answer that we have found is what, is equal to 2. This is the answer, okay. So now C, now we are coming to C. So C, they're saying that the value of x, the value of what, the value of x, find the value of x if f inverse of f of x, okay, if f inverse of f of x is equal to what, is equal to x. If f inverse of f of x is equal to what, is equal to x, so we should find the value of x. So this is what we are going to do. We need to find f inverse of f of x. We need to find f of, this is just f of x. This is what they have said us to find, okay. So what you do, you get this function, okay, which is this, and where there is x, you should put this same function. This is what they mean. I hope you've understood here. So f of what, of x is equal to, here they are saying that you get 2, where there is x, you put the same function, you put this function, this is going to be 2x minus 5, like that. Then at the end, since we are getting this function, okay, so this function, it was just like 2x minus 5, but here we had put this, okay. Then what is remaining, we are going to have this, so which is going to be what, negative 5, like that. Then we go on, we say 2 times x, 2 times 2x, that's going to be 4x, minus 2 times 5, that is going to be 10, minus 5. So it is going to be 4x minus 15, like that, okay, minus 15. Now the question is saying that this whole thing here, okay, this whole thing, we should find the value of x if this whole thing, this is equal to x, okay, if it is equal to x. So this is equal to what, to x, meaning that we are going to equate this to what, to x. That is what they want, okay, that is what they want. This answer equal to what, to x, then we should find the value of x. So this is how we are going to do it. So we are going to say x, this 4x, it will come this side to be negative 4x equal to negative 15, okay. Then x minus 4, that's going to be negative 3x equal to negative 15. Then divide both sides by negative 3 to get rid of x, negative 3. Then x will be what? Will be 3 into 3, that is positive. Negative, this is negative into negative, it's positive, okay. So then 3 into 5, that is, or 3 into 15, that's going to be what? To be 5. So the answer is what? Is positive 5. That is the value of x, okay. So this is how you should find these kind of questions. I've been your tutor, Patrick Divine. I hope this video has benefited you a lot. If you need tuitions, you can contact me on 975 334778. Okay, that is my line. Thank you for watching.